What's up, gang? I'm finna give y'all the description of a $45 car wash. This is what you should get for $45 car wash. You should get your tires and rims cleaned, your undercarriage washed off, right? Scrubbed, right? You should get the exterior of your vehicle washed. You should get the exterior of your vehicle washed, not decontaminated, washed. Come on, baby. You should get the interior of your vehicle vacuumed, seats, dash, everything wiped down, windows wiped down, right? And dressed, right? With your vinyl leather dressing. See? All right? Got to get it taken care of. Okay? Door jambs wiped down. All right? And you can also get a layer of spray wax put on your vehicle. That is what you get for $45.